Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your messenger icon missing on your Instagram app. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. For example, as you can see that I have the messenger icon right on top. If you're unable to see this kind of option, in order to fix it, what you'll need to do is, first of all, make sure to check for an update. For that, you need to head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram. And as soon as you click on it, if you see update instead of open, which means that the application needs to be updated, and click on the update button. So while updating, it might take some time, so you need to wait patiently. After updating your application, you might be able to solve your issue all at once. Despite of updating your application as well, if you're still unable to fix it, then the other thing what you can do is log in into your Instagram application, and once you're on this page, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that, tap on the toolbar icon in the top right corner of your screen and then head over to the settings page. As you click on settings, under it you'll be able to see multiple options. From the list, click on privacy. After you click on privacy, scroll down a bit and click on messages, and right on this page you can go through it and then make changes accordingly. After you've done this procedure, log out of your device and then log in into your account once again, and after doing this you might be able to fix your issue. So once you've done this process as well and you're still unable to fix it, the other alternative what you can do is you can simply clear cache as well as data for your Instagram. So to clear cache and data, long press on your Instagram application and then click on the eye icon located right on top. After that, you'll be headed to an app info page, and on this page click on storage and cache. Once you're on this page, click on clear cache as well as clear storage. So before you tap on clear storage, make sure that you know your login credential. Only then click on the clear storage button, as this will log you out of your device, and once again you need to log in. And once you've done all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix by doing all of these steps, then the last alternative would be to uninstall the application and then once again reinstall it and log in into your account. So these were the steps on how you can fix Instagram Messenger update not showing or messenger icon missing on your Android or iOS device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Also make sure to consider subscribing our channel and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.